cut down all of our coconuts today. Squirrel was wreaking havoc on them, and plus they were just ready for harvest to get the quality meat for making flour and coconut cream. It's a simple process, basically involves putting the coconut meat from the coconuts into a blender, adding some hot water that'll help expel some of the fats from the coconut as well, and blending. This is a 15-liter blender I have for making hot sauce in large quantities. One of my favorite things at the house. Essentially, you want to blend it until you get a mixture similar to what you see right here, just a slop of coconut liquid. And then you can use a strainer and press it down, get the milk. And this is the same type of coconut cream, coconut milk you see canned at the store. Perfect for pina coladas. Okay, now that we have our milk, it's time to make use of that leftover coconut meat that we expelled the milk out of. And we're going to put it all in the dehydrator. So spread it out on your dehydrator trays. We have an Excalibur dehydrator that I'm a huge fan of. After you have it in the dehydrator for a few hours and it's good and dry, all you're going to do is put it in a blender and blend to your desired consistency, and there you have coconut flour. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.